What's up, bitches? Welcome back to our house.
Hey y'all, my name is Alex, but you can call me Larry.
And I'm your favorite boy, Hollywood J.
Alright y'all, so I'm obsessed with TikTok and I saw some two DIYs that I want to do with my babe. So we're gonna fucking do those, yes.
The first one is a tie-dye and a bleach, little sweatsuit, little combo, little combination. Tie-dye with graphics are obviously in raining.
Yes, we did a whole little cute photo shoot for y'all, just so y'all know.
Who's in charge of the house? 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 Welcome to my house. This is my house.
Alright y'all, so y'all gonna start off by twisting your fabric and grabbing those rubber bands and putting it together.
Throw some bands on that bitch.
Yes ma'am, and then Jordan got the colors and I got the bleach and my mustard bottle because you know we ghetto and that's how we do it. Alright y'all, this is the final look. We're gonna let this bitch dry overnight.
I threw the little 90s decal in there. I feel like it needed a little pop. I paired it with this purple hat to give it the vibe. Purple Adidas. Denim jacket with the sheep ass on there.
So I thought mine was pretty basic too, so I decided to throw this little graphic design, you know, Chanel, baby. Do a photo shoot, mom's the photographer for today. Hey mom. I don't know, we're gonna just pick a background and go from there. The skin does looking good. Outfits are looking cute. Let's get this shit. So this is the background we're gonna use.
Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Are you coming home with me tonight?
Just always fixing her hair.
So I hope y'all like that first DIY that we did. It was cute or whatever. The second one took us forever. We started a long time ago. So
Bitch, it's Christmas.
next DIY, the Louis Vuitton.
Little Louis Vuitton realness real quick.
Yes, man. 'Cause you know, budget. When you're in the budget, this is what you gotta do.
Designer tea.
All right, y'all. We got our materials, our Louis Vuitton templates, and we're ready to paint. Honey, paint. I'm splatting some white shit on that bitch.
And bitch, I'm over here struggling with these little details of this LV print. Of course, I got the small print, so. Through trial and error, we realized we had to prime it first. So we put white layer of acrylic paint. Bring those flames to life. I added the orange, yellow, and red ombre effect.
Alright y'all, this is my final look. I love it. And I put some red lips in the back because you know I'm extra bitch. And I'm gonna wear these rhinestone pants at the babe. You know, supporting.
As you can see, a bitch had to do the rest off camera. Little details, you know. I paired it with this sheer shirt to give it like that rock vibe to it. Oh, I love this. This is my favorite like piece that I own. Little Thrasher shirt, but I'm not gonna wear this one to show it off. You might have seen me wear this. I love this Tom and Jerry checkered shirt.
Accessories, honey, accessories.
Posh. Bitch, I'm 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 posh.
Super cute. I mean, if you guys like these kind of videos, if you like DIYs, if you have any suggestions for us, we always say that shit and you never listen. But
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your mother, tell your dad, most of your dad.
as a matter of fact, so that's like. But anyway, once again, I'm your boy Hollywood J.
And I'm Alex, but you can call me Lex.
You don't gotta go home, bye-bye.
Bye, get the fuck out of here, y'all.